On the search results page, 2 additional details to pay attention to are pricing and the minimum order quantity, also known as MOQ. Prices are typically displayed in a range, since the amount you pay per unit depends on your order size. Generally, larger orders lead to lower unit costs, and if you are good at negotiating, you can often achieve even better rates. For example, take a listing for a silicone chapstick holder with keychain that shows prices of 88 pence and 47 ten-thousandths of a pound each when ordering between 100 and 999 pieces. If you increase your order size to between 1,000 and 9,999 pieces, the price drops to 72 pence and 73 ten-thousandths of a pound per unit. For very large orders of 10,000 pieces or more, the cost reduces even further to as low as 50 pence and 99 ten-thousandths of a pound per unit. Some suppliers also require minimum orders for customizations. For instance, if you want your brand logo printed on every holder, the MOQ might increase to 1,000 pieces, and if you want special packaging included, the requirement could be higher. Keep in mind that nearly everything is negotiable. Suppose a supplier lists an MOQ of 1,000 units, but you only want to order 500 for your first test order. You could offer to pay a slightly higher unit price in exchange for reducing the minimum order, which allows you to lower your initial risk while still building a relationship with the supplier. Beyond price and MOQ, examine the supplier's attributes and specifications. This chapstick holder is listed as a patent design product made of 100% silicone, with a sample time of 5 to 7 days and a standard packaging method of 1 piece per OPP bag. The supplier lists a lead time of 10 days for orders of up to 100 units, with longer timelines negotiated for larger orders. These details are critical for planning your launch, especially if you are targeting seasonal demand or promotional campaigns. Do not overlook payment methods and protections. In this case, the supplier accepts PayPal, Western Union, TT, and Trade Assurance. Trade Assurance ensures your payment is only released when the order is fulfilled as agreed. Combined with Alibaba's secure payment system and refund policies, this gives you confidence to place orders, even as a beginner. By reviewing not just the price, but also the MOQ, customization requirements, lead time, packaging, and payment protections, you can build a full picture of what working with a supplier will really cost you. This level of detail also prepares you for more effective negotiations, allowing you to balance your budget with the supplier's capabilities.